See a charge you don't recognize or didn't authorize. Amex makes disputing it remarkably simple, and they often side with you during the investigation. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In your online account or app, find the suspicious transaction and click on it. Look for an option that says, "Dispute this charge," or "I have a question about this charge." You'll be guided to select a reason. "I didn't make this purchase," "The amount is incorrect," or "I never received the goods." Provide any details you have. Amex will typically issue a provisional credit immediately and conduct an investigation. My crucial pro tip: try contacting the merchant first. For issues like poor service or undelivered items, Amex will ask if you tried to resolve it with the seller. Having a record of an email or call can strengthen your dispute case. But for clear fraud, just dispute immediately. Protect your money with Amex's powerful consumer safeguards. How has Amex handled a dispute for you in the past? For more guides on consumer rights and security, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.